These facts are so incredible that most people refuse to believe them. Get ready for this. The truth about chemistry that most people don't know. Researchers have confirmed this and it is truly extraordinary. Now, this next fact is absolutely mind-blowing. This next one is really special. The Milky Way is on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy. Most people go their entire lives without ever learning this. And here is where things get really fascinating. Here is something incredible. Saturn would float if you could find a bathtub big enough. Think about that for a moment. This is one of those facts that completely changes your perspective. You might think that is incredible. But the next one is even better. Get ready for this. The observable universe contains about 2 trillion galaxies. Researchers have confirmed this and it is truly extraordinary. Now, this next fact is absolutely mind-blowing. This next one is really special. A year on Mercury is only 88 Earth days long. Most people go their entire lives